Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. If you're new to my channel, I like to make videos about affordable beauty, beauty on a budget, and when you do decide to splurge and buy that occasional high-end item, I like to help you make the most of the money that you do spend. So if that sounds good to you, you are in the right place. So today's video, I'm gonna share with you a couple items that I just recently picked up at TJ Maxx, as well as announce the fact that I am doing another giveaway. I will just kind of show you what I am putting in this giveaway and what the rules are to enter and all that good stuff. So before we get into today's video, I would like to ask you to subscribe and hit that bell notification. That way you are always notified when new content goes up, and it helps me and my channel out so much for you to subscribe and like and share and all that good stuff. So now that we've got that out of the way, if you want to see what I picked up at TJ Maxx, as well as what products are in my giveaway and how to enter, definitely keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start out with the small TJ Maxx haul. Now I have got to be honest, my TJ Maxx has been lacking since it reopened from the pandemic. I don't know if I've just hit it bad every time I've gone, but they literally had, like, as far as makeup goes, like, because I do love looking at the makeup, and so it seemed like they didn't get a shipment for the longest time. So I went there the other day after seeing some other YouTube videos and was like, maybe, I don't know, maybe I can find some stuff. I'd seen they had a lot of Too Faced and Urban Decay and all that stuff. And when I got to my TJ Maxx, there was some. There wasn't a ton, but there was some, and there was some really great things that in theory I wanted to pick up, but I really didn't need. But I did pick up a couple things. So let me go ahead and show you what I found and what I decided to buy, because I could have bought more and didn't. I just bought what I thought I really and truly needed. So they had this Urban Decay Illuminated Shimmering Powder for face and body. And this is in the shade Aura. And it says compare it $10, and I paid $6.99. I don't think that this was actually originally $10. That was probably a sale price. It is actually still on Ulta's website, and it is retailing for $34. So I thought that that was a really, really good deal. So this is the packaging. Of course, you know, it's a little bit bulky, but it's really nice. It feels kind of fabric-y, you know. It's just got this beautiful, sturdy packaging. And then you open it up, and it's got a mirror, and it's got this beautiful highlight. It looks like it's like a baked formula. And the only thing I don't really care for is that it's got, you know, this whole thing going on with the brush. Now granted, you know, for highlighter, a brush like this really isn't a terrible thing. Actually, it's actually pretty nice, honestly. It's actually really soft and nice quality. So that might not actually be a bad thing. You know, all you really do is need to swipe it on. So let's go ahead and swatch this. That is really pretty. Very subtle, and you know, it kind of matches my skin really nice, which is really good. So yeah, I'm very, very excited. I was so excited to see something like this there, because I always feel like I miss out at TJ Maxx sometimes. So that was very exciting. Then another item that they had was this Too Faced Natural Lust bronzer. It's a satin dual tone bronzer, and it came in this big package and really pretty. And this says compare it $25, and they were selling it for $14.99. So I do think that this is discontinued. It is not on Ulta's website. So I don't know if it's, I think you could probably still find it like on some other oddball retailers. But I guess this is kind of part of their their Natural Lust collection, which I don't have anything from, but I think they have like a palette and some other stuff. But it's really pretty. First of all, look at the packaging. It's so pretty. It's really big too. But it's so pretty. Really big size. It says you get 18 grams or 0.63 ounces. And here is what it looks like. It is so pretty. So, you know, of course, the idea is that you swirl it, and you're not going to want to because it's so pretty. So those right there are like the two shades, the light and the dark. And of course, you know, you kind of, and it's a little bit shimmery, I think. And so you kind of swirl them together, and that'll probably be really good for me when I'm not so tan. So I will definitely be hanging on to this. It's so pretty. One thing, I don't really have too many bronzers or too many highlighters. So that's kind of why I decided to go with these. They also had the Too Faced Chocolate Bar Palette. They had a ton of them, and I think they were think they were $19.99 or $14.99, but I'm pretty sure $19.99, and they had a ton of them. In theory, I wanted it and wanted to buy it, but I just didn't need it. I peeked at it, and I just have all the colors. It was just underwhelming, but they do have that there. I have seen that at both Marshalls and TJ Maxx, so if you do want that, definitely go pick it up if you can. And they also had the Too Faced, the natural eye palette, and like the natural matte. You know the ones that have like the big pans, and then has like the little pans, and the packaging was gorgeous, and they had the two different types. And again, something I wanted to buy but just don't need. So I really tried to exhibit some self-control. And where I lost control, and this is kind of where the giveaway comes in, is they had one left at my TJ Maxx, and I almost bought this earlier in the year when I was starting to get more into color, and I decided against it and went with something else. But for $14.99, and I think this is getting close to being discontinued. I think it's like on sale at Ulta's website, and it may not be with us much longer because I don't think it did very well, is the Urban Decay Wired Pressed Pigment Palette. It says compare at $20. I got it for $14.99. It says compare at $20, but I think that that's kind of the price that you can buy it on Ulta's website. I think that's like a markdown price at $20. That's not the original price at all. So I wanted to, of course, opened it up to make sure. Well, first of all, the packaging is awesome. It's in that good sturdy packaging. You know, it's got this is raised. It's really cool. Very sturdy, you know, like all Too Faced and Urban Decay stuff is. It's got a big mirror. It opens up all the way, which is nice. I like when a palette does that. And it's untouched. I made sure that when I bought it, it was not touched in any way, shape, or form. Of course, you've got the ones that are regulated for the face, body, and the eye, and then the other side here that are for face and body. I don't like that about this palette, but the colors are really pretty, and I don't even know that they read on camera as pretty as they are in person. So I did pick it up, and I do not need it. That is just the fact of the matter. I do not need this. So the good news is, since I bought this, because I had no self-control and really do not need it, once I got home, I decided I'm gonna include this as well as some other things in a giveaway. So let's go ahead and hop into the rest of the items for the giveaway. So like I said, what you are getting is the Urban Decay Wired Palette that I found at TJ Maxx. It's in pristine condition. So that is gonna be in the giveaway. Then the rest of the items are from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to include the Ioni Hello Doll Wispy Doll Full 3D Foam Ink Eyelashes. I've bought these before, but I have never worn that particular style. I'm also including the LA Colors Dramatilash lashes in Dolly. I've got the Wet n Wild Mega Wear Mascara. This is Enhance and Define in Very Black. I've got the LA Colors Auto Liner. This is apparently smudge proof, and it is in the color Black. I've got the Maybelline Master Precise Ink Metallic Liquid Eyeliner. This is in Violet. I get a couple of eyeshadow brushes. They are both from Wet n Wild. One is the large eyeshadow brush, and the other is the smoky liner brush. You see me use this one here on my channel all the time to line underneath my eyes. Then I get the LA Colors Auto Lip Liner. This is in Peachy Feels. I've got the LA Colors Lip Duo Gloss and Lipstick. This is in Charmed. You have seen this on my channel before. And then now I have one of these as well, but I have not yet used it. So this is the Hard Candy Cashmere Silk. It is a demi-matte cream lip color, and this is in the shade Tartufo. And last but not least, I am including this cute little makeup bag. So let's just go ahead and get on into what the rules are. There are only 3, and they are so simple. So the first one is you must be subscribed to my channel. And not only do you need to hit subscribe and be subscribed, but you are gonna have to have your subscriptions be public, because if your subscriptions are not public, even though you are subscribed and it counts in my number, the number that I see, I can see who's subscribed to my channel in a list in my analytics, but only if it's public. So only if it's public am I able to go in and verify with your name that you are in fact subscribed. Rule number 2, comment hashtag Dollar Diva on this video. That way I know that you are interested in being entered into the giveaway. So rule number 3 is that you have to follow me on Instagram. And when you do follow me on Instagram, when you comment on this video, make sure you let me know what your Instagram handle or your Instagram name is, because that can be a little tricky to know exactly who someone is on Instagram and on YouTube, because sometimes the names can be so different. So subscribe to my channel, make sure your subscriptions are public, follow me on Instagram, and comment hashtag Dollar Diva as well as your Instagram name on this video. So the giveaway will close September 17th at midnight Eastern time, and I will announce the winner in my Friday, September 18th upload. So again, you must enter before midnight Eastern time on Thursday, September 17th, and the winner will be announced the next day in my upload. And I do have to say this one thing, I did this on my last giveaway too, and I think it was very effective. If you don't want to subscribe to my channel and you don't want to follow me on Instagram, don't. It's no big deal. There's no feelings hurt. There's no hard feelings. But sometimes in this world, there is a problem where people subscribe and follow to win, and then they unfollow and unsubscribe. So if that does happen, you will be banned from all future giveaways on my channel. So you just I always get the ugly out of the way. So, you know, like I said, there is no pressure to subscribe or enter or do any of that stuff. So only do it if you really, really, really want to. That's all I think most of us ask here on YouTube when we do one of these types of things. So I hope you enjoyed getting to see a couple of these items that I found at my TJ Maxx. Definitely head to your TJ Maxx and see what you can pick up. They've had lots of good stuff lately, and it's been a minute for mine, for sure. It's been a minute. So again, make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure your subscriptions are public if you want to enter the giveaway, and comment hashtag Dollar Diva as well as your Instagram handle, and follow me on Instagram to be entered in. And if you don't want to enter, that's fine. You can show your love and support by liking this video, saying hello in your comments, sharing this video, and subscribe and follow me on Instagram anyway. So anyways, thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.